I don't like your T-Series. Nothing personal, kid, but I must go all out. Just this once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Sit the fuck down, T-Series, I'm here to spill the real tea. You're trying to dethrone me from spot on number one, but you India, you lose, so best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you, 0-5-ish gone. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you rich lasagna. Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch, bitch,
lasagna. Hey.
Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while